Hey, what's up guys? Just another quick video. Added 2 fans, 4S, 3 amp, 80 amp. Alright guys, it's a little windy. Full throttle. Nice. Oh wow, what happened to the front wheel? Let's see, make sure it's not broken. Oh, I think the wheel is loose. Let's see. Let me see. No, it's good. I think it's fine. Let's try again. Oh, the front wheels, maybe something's loose. Maybe the front. Almost there, guys. Front diff is kind of loose. Ouch! Wow, something hit me like dirt or something. Maybe this off is too small for this. The front wheel is moving. I'll check it out later when I get home. I don't know what's wrong with it. Yeah, this 14 scale is too small for this. Alright guys, the front wheel is synchronized with the back again. I don't know what's wrong with it before, but it works now. Oh, the front is not spinning. Let's see. The front spinning? Nope. So maybe it's not spinning. Oh, the front is not spinning. Oh well, rear wheel drive guys. Alright guys, I know what it is. It's my fault. I did not tighten this nut or hex nut or whatever, and my hex hub or whatever that's called inside is stripped. So it's this wheel that's loose. It's not the disc, guys. Look at this. I need a new wheel. Sorry guys. It was this again. It was fucking loose. I should have tightened it extra. The first time it stripped the inside. Excuse the fucking mess. I used glue sticks to fill it up and I just damaged it. So what I'm gonna do now is put super glue on the bottom and then glue sticks. And by the way, this charger's cool and all, but if your power supply is only 5 amp instead of 6 amp, we can only do 5 amp. And the only thing I hate about this is this fucking plug right here. It gets loose after a while. This is my third one. Alright, I just added some super glue. Just gonna drop this in there. And then fill it up with glue sticks. Now I cover the top. The last time I had it, I took a flathead and I scraped it to make sure it don't rub against the side of the RC or the bearing. I scraped off the top layer with this flathead, and now I'm just going to add another layer of super glue and put it back on top and tighten it with this plier. So there's a layer of super glue. Now I'm just going to use a heat gun Should dry it up. Alright guys, let's let it charge a little bit. Charging both at the same time. Alright guys, 2022. This is like the first time in the year, this year, that it rained. I can't go as fast when it's wet. That's just the fan touching the color. Yeah. On the tree. Oh, battery came loose. Alright guys, battery's back in. I don't want to dirty my hands again because it's wet and muddy. So, windy and raining. If you can see the rain, it's good that's raining. This little thing is strong. Off the control. Oh, phone's getting wet. I'll try to stay straight in the rain. I turned. I didn't want to go into the little bump. Gotta go slowly, gradually. See it flip. Nope, maybe I should have hit the brakes. I guess I don't have to go too fast. It's all about control, right? That blue car is just letting on the drive. Practicing. Oh, nice. Oh, the thing. I think one of the screws is loose. Something popped out. Probably the link. Yeah, let's take a look. Oh yeah. See the wheel, right? Let's see. Oh, it's this. Oh, did I lose something? Oh no, it's still here. That's why having rubber bands is good. Like my other WO toys, I put the rubber bands here. I lost like 2 of these and 1 green one. Hold on, let me fix it. Actually, guys, bad news. This thing broke. I need a new one right here. Thanks for watching.